everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Touareg, a car that continues to impress with its balance of luxury, technology, and performance. Whether you're an SUV enthusiast or just looking for a premium ride, this one might be on your radar. So, let's take a closer look. Right off the bat, the 2025 Touareg brings some subtle design changes. The front fascia has been tweaked, giving it a bolder grille, and new LED matrix headlights make it look even sharper on the road. It's still sleek, with those familiar, smooth lines that make it stand out among other luxury SUVs. Inside, Volkswagen has stepped up its game. This interior is modern and luxurious. The 15-inch InnoVision cockpit is a real highlight, merging the digital instrument cluster with the infotainment screen for a seamless look. It's intuitive, sharp, and packed with features. Wireless charging, premium materials, and ambient lighting make it feel like you're driving something far more expensive. The tech in here is just as impressive as the looks. The Touareg comes with VW's latest version of its MIB3 infotainment system, supporting both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, of course. And if you're into high-quality sound, there's an available Dynaudio sound system that really elevates the audio experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Touareg continues to offer solid performance. There's a choice between a turbocharged V6 and a plug-in hybrid model, both of which offer smooth, confident driving. And if you're into adventure, there's all-wheel drive available with adaptive air suspension to tackle those tougher terrains with ease. Now, the big question, what's the price? Well, we're expecting the 2025 Touareg to start around $60,000, with higher trims possibly reaching $80,000 or more, depending on the options you choose. It's definitely in premium SUV territory, but it offers enough luxury and tech to justify that. Overall, the 2025 Volkswagen Touareg delivers what we've come to expect from VW: luxury, tech, and performance in a package that's hard to ignore. If you're shopping for a high-end SUV, this one should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and tech breakdowns. See you next time.